In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a group in Microsoft Outlook fast. 2025 guide. Before we begin, a quick heads up. You'll need to be signed in to Outlook on the web, and you must be an owner of the group you want to remove. Deleting a group is permanent. It removes the group mailbox, conversations, calendar, and any connected files and resources, so make sure this is truly what you want to do. Start by opening your browser, searching for Microsoft Outlook, and signing in with your account. Once you're in your mailbox, look toward the app area. Click on More Apps to open the launcher so you can access other parts of Outlook. From there, click on Groups. This takes you to the page that lists all of the groups you're part of. If you're managing several, take a moment to confirm the exact group you want to remove. It's a good idea to double-check the group name and, if needed, inform members ahead of time, because they'll lose access to the conversations and shared files after deletion. Next, click on the group you want to delete to open its details. At the top of the group page, find and click the pencil icon. This is the Edit Group option, and it's where the delete control lives. Inside the Edit panel, look for Delete Group and click it. Outlook will show a confirmation message explaining what will be removed. Read this carefully. If the group is a Microsoft 365 group, this action also impacts shared files and the group calendar, and it cannot be undone. To proceed, check the confirmation box. This box is there to make sure you understand the consequences before moving forward. If you're unsure, consider exporting important conversations or downloading critical files first. Now, click Delete. Outlook will begin removing the group and its content. Depending on the size of the group, this may take a moment. If the group still appears in your list temporarily, give the page a refresh. Finally, when prompted, click OK to confirm and close the process. Your group is now deleted. You'll no longer see it in your groups list, and members won't be able to send mail to it or access its resources. If your goal was only to stop receiving messages, consider leaving the group instead of deleting it. But if you're cleaning up old or unused groups, this process is the fastest, most reliable way to tidy up your Outlook environment. Remember, deletions are final, so take a moment to review before you confirm.